Hello everyone, my name is Ira Cloud and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you how to do this e-girl makeup look. So if you're interested how to do that, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to start off with my eyebrows, and before I apply any brow product, I'm going to prime my forehead using the NYX Angel VL Skin Perfecting Primer to blend the eyebrow products easily. For eyebrows today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Deep Brown. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows as usually. First, I'm brushing all my hairs up, drawing the line on the bottom of the brow. Then I'm brushing my hairs down and I'm drawing the line on the top of the brow. I'm filling in the tail of the brow and filling in the rest of the brow and the inner corner. I'm brushing my hairs up and down to blend the product and doing the same thing on the other eyebrow. For eyebrow gel today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Brow Drama Sculpting Brow Mascara in the shade Deep Brown, and I'm going to apply it starting off from the outer corner of the brow. Then I'm going to apply the gel on the inner corner. I'm going to carve up my eyebrows with concealer and flat brush. For concealer today, I'm going to use the Max Factor Pen Stick in the shade 12 True Beige. Alright, brows are done and time for the eyes. I'm going to apply the Scotch tape to make the cat eye shape. For primer today, I'm going to use the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot Eyeshadow Primer, and I'm going to apply it on the upper and on the lower eyelid. Today, I'm going to use the Beauty Glaze Color Fusion Over the Rainbow eyeshadow palette. First, I'm going to apply a light pink shade in the crease with tapping motions with small eyeshadow brush, and this is going to be our transition shade. I'm going to take this same eyeshadow on the big blending fluffy brush, and I'm going to blend this shade in with circular motions without any pressure on the brush. I'm going to apply a light pink shimmer shade called Marshmallow from the Romantic Bird Professional Makeup Palette under the brow on the brow bone. To highlight the brow bone, I'm going to take bright pink fuchsia color from the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply it with tapping motions with small eyeshadow brush in my crease, and I'm going to build up the shape of the eye. Then I'm going to take small blending brush and a light pink shade, and I'm going to blend the crease color using soft circular motions without any pressure on the brush. Also, I'm going to apply darker pink shade in the crease, and I'm going to blend it with circular motions. I'm going to apply the purple shade in the crease with tapping motions, and I'm going to blend the crease once again with small blending brush with circular motions. Also, I'm blending the crease color near to my nose with soft circular motions. I'm going to do the cut crease using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot eyeshadow base and flat brush. I'm going to cut my crease very high because I have hooded eyes, and I'm going to fill in the eyelid with the eyeshadow base. Also, I'm going to cut the crease on the outer corner of the eye and make the cat eye shape. I'm going to take the light pink shimmer color called Marshmallow from the Romantic Bird Professional Makeup Palette, and I'm going to apply it on the cut crease with flat brush with tapping motions. For eyeliner today, I'm going to use the Essence Liquid Ink Waterproof Eyeliner, and I'm doing very big wing and extending the inner corner. Because I have hooded eyes, I have to hide the wing using black eyeshadow. Today, I'm going to use the black eyeshadow from the Maybelline The Nudes eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner with small eyeshadow brush with tapping motions. Then I'm going to take small blending brush, and I'm going to blend all the harsh edges that I have on the outer corner. I'm taking purple shade on the small blending brush and I'm going to apply it on the edge between the outer corner and the lid color, and also I'm going to blend this color in the crease. I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal K-Gel Extra Black Pencil and I'm going to apply it on the upper and the lower waterline and also between the lashes on the upper and the lower waterlines. I'm going to take angled brush and black eyeshadow and I'm going to blend the pencil on the lower lash line. I'm taking black shade from the Maybelline The News eyeshadow palette on the small eyeshadow brush and I'm applying it once again on the lower eyelid with tapping motions. I'm taking fuchsia bright pink shade from the Color Fusion Over the Rainbow eyeshadow palette on the small eyeshadow brush and I'm applying it on the lower eyelid with tapping motions. I'm taking black shade once again and blending these two shades together on the lower eyelid with small eyeshadow brush. I'm taking off the scotch tape and doing the same thing on the other eye. I'm cleaning my face from any fallout with makeup removal wipes. Alright guys, time to finish off the face makeup. First, I'm going to prime. For primer today, I'm going to use the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer and I'm going to apply it on the rest of my face. I'm going to color correct and I'm going to use the NYX Color Corrector Concealer Palette. And first, I'm going to apply green corrector on the redness and blemishes that I have on my face. I'm using the Rival Me Concealer Palette and I'm going to take the red corrector and apply it under my eyes and on the blueness that I have on my face. I'm going to blend the color corrector with my fingertips to warm up this product and to blend it easily. Then I'm going to take Beige Skin Color Corrector from the Rival Me Concealer Palette and I'm going to apply it on the same places where I color correct. And I'm going to blend the corrector with my fingertips. I'm using flat brush. For foundation today, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Matte Cover Foundation in the shade 110 Rose Vanilla. And I'm going to apply it first on the one part of my face and blending it very quickly using damp beauty blender because this foundation modifies very fast. And applying the foundation on the rest of my face and blending that in with damp beauty blender. To cover up the blemishes on my face, I'm going to use the MAC Spectre Pan Stick in the shade 12 True Beige and I'm going to apply it on my blemishes and then I'm going to blend it with damp beauty blender. I'm blending the concealer around the pimple to leave maximum pigmentation directly on the pimple. For concealer today, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade 327 Cashmere and I'm going to apply it under my eyes. I'm blending the concealer in with damp beauty blender looking upwards. I'm going to set my face with powder and today I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder in the shade 90 Translucent and I'm going to apply the powder all over my face. First, I'm applying the powder on the under eye area, then on my nose, and then on the rest of my face. I'm sculpting my face with the Inglot Sculpting Powder in the shade 510. This is the coolest shade that they have. And I'm applying this sculpting powder under my cheekbones, on my forehead, under the chin, on the jawline. I'm sculpting my nose and I'm applying it under the bottom lip to make my lips look fuller. For blush, I'm going to use the Bourjois Paris blush in the shade 54 Frosted Rose and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks and on my nose to make this e-curl makeup look more cute. To warm up my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline The City Bronzer in the shade 250 Medium Warm and I'm going to apply it on the same places where I applied the contour powder under my cheekbones, on the forehead, on the nose, on the jawline, under the chin, under the bottom lip, and on my nose. For setting spray today, I'm going to use the Diego de la Palma setting spray, and I'm going to apply the highlighter right after I applied the setting spray. For highlighter today, I'm using the MAC C18 Soft and Gentle highlighter. I'm using Life Hack. To make the highlighter more pigmented, I'm applying the setting spray on the brush, and then I'm taking the highlighter with this brush and applying it on my face. And with this technique, the highlighter will be super pigmented. I'm applying the highlighter on my cheekbones, on the nose, on the tip of the nose, on the bridge of the nose, on my forehead, on my chin, on my temples, and on the cupid's bow. I'm going to finish off the lower lash line, and I'm taking the purple shade from the same color fusion over the rainbow eyeshadow palette and applying it on the lower lash line with small eyeshadow brush. Then I'm taking black shade from the Maybelline The News eyeshadow palette and applying it on the lower lash line with small eyeshadow brush. Then I'm taking small blending brush and the same bright pink eyeshadow from the same eyeshadow palette and blending the lower lash line. Time for lashes, and first I'm going to apply the mascara. For mascara today, I'm using the Maybelline The Colossal Go Extreme Leather Black Mascara, and I'm going to apply it on the upper and on the lower eyelashes with 3 layers. I'm applying the mascara on the both sides of the lashes. For lashes today, I'm going to use the eyelashes called Scone Heat. These are affordable lashes from AliExpress, and I'm going to take the largest eyelashes from the packaging. Don't forget to use mascara right after you applied the lashes. Alright guys, time for the lips, and first I'm going to apply the MAC Prep and Prime Lip Primer. Then I'm going to line my lips using the Essence Stay 8 Hours Lip Liner in the shade 4 Naive, and I'm going to overline my lips and fill them in. For lipstick today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade 120 Artist. I'm using NYX lip brush to make my lips look sharp. I'm going to carve up my lips with concealer. Today I'm using the Max Factor Pan Stick in the shade 12 True Beige and flat brush. Alright guys, and that was the e-girl smoky eye makeup look. If you enjoyed watching this video, had fun with me, or found it useful, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, that all is IraCloud, and see you in my next video. Bye!